Alright, so today we're going to go over the filter method on arrays in JavaScript. It pretty much works the same way that the map function does that we went over a couple days ago, but we'll just go over it really quickly. So over here we have this array called numbers. It just has the numbers from 1 to 10. And what we want to do is we want to filter out the odd numbers. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll do const odds equals numbers dot filter, and then filter takes in a callback, and this callback, the argument to this callback will be a number, and then what we want to return from this function is a condition. And so if the number being passed into this callback passes the condition, it'll be included in the filtered array. So over here, because we want to get all the odd numbers, we're going to do num modulus 2. And so what num modulus 2 does is it will do the number divided by 2, and then it'll give us the remainder. So if there is a remainder, because it's an odd number, the remainder will be the number 1. And 1 evaluates to be a truthy value in JavaScript. So ideally, this should just work right here, as is. And also, let's go ahead and console log this out. Oops, spelled that wrong. And let's also console log out numbers, just to show you that the filter method doesn't modify the original array, it actually returns a new array. So let's test this out. Boom, that shit works.